Normally when I buy clothes, they're like this. And that's not the way I like. They're just too big.
This is Dream a Dress, a show that's all about fashion, flair, and making dreams come true, one dress at a time. We're on a mission to create dresses that are as unique and vibrant as the personalities they adorn. Starting with Sophie.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and I'm 12 years old.
Hi, my name's Ashley Chang. I'm from California.
My favorite thing about myself is that I'm cheerful a lot and to be very energetic. I'm a little person.
Before she was born, we actually were told by a specialist that she might have a fatal condition and not make it, but that was thankfully ruled out. We didn't care if she was going to be tall or short. We just wanted her to be here with us. We are just thrilled to meet Stepha and just see this incredible design that she so graciously is making for Sophie. It's just amazing that somebody just wants to create something special for somebody who doesn't always find stuff just off the rack at stores.
It's time to bring in our designer, Stephina, to bring Sophie's dress to life.
Hi!
Hi.
It's nice to finally meet you. I'm Stephina.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Sophie.
Hi, Sophie. Hi, I'm Stephina, and I'm a fashion designer. I've been sewing since I was 15 and have also been designing kids' clothes for that amount of time as well. When I heard about Sophie's story, I was really inspired. I think one of the things that a lot of people go through is trying to find the right fit. I just felt like she really deserved to be able to find something that was just perfect. Why don't you go ahead and draw me like what your dream dress is?
My favorite color is purple.
So what kind of sleeves do you want? Short sleeve, long sleeve?
I would take short sleeve because it'll be easier to put on. Kind of like short to my knees because if it's too long, it could be too long or I could trip all on it.
Okay. What other details do you like? Do you like maybe like ruffles or like sparkle?
I like to put ruffles. It's because it's like kind of fashionable. I would put a little heart pocket on it so I could stuff like candy or something.
Do you like pockets in general?
Yeah, yes I do.
Okay. Well, I heard that there's a special event coming up. Can you tell me what it is and like what you need the dress for?
It's a talent show at summer camp and I will be playing the drums.
Yeah, so it's actually this weekend, so I don't know if it's possible to get the dress in maybe a day or two.
Oh. So I have maybe about 8 hours to finish the dress. It is a little bit of a time crunch, but I think we can make it happen.
Great.
Arms up. The only thing I'm a little worried about is that I tend to add like an inch or two just to be on the safe side to make sure like it's not too short. But like with Sophie, I do worry that it might be a little long. So hopefully this is gonna fit her. Awesome, I think I got all the measurements I need. I'm gonna go ahead and grab your drawing.
With little time to spare, it's time for Stephina to head back to the studio to begin working her magic. She's got only 8 hours to get it done, so she's brought in some help from an old friend.
Oh my gosh, hi Stepha!
Hi.
Mwah, it's been so long!
How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm excited to be here. Hi, I'm Edward, and I've been working with Stepha for a long while. I think my skills will be useful, just helping Stephina where she needs, and I just need to make sure that she's staying humble, just doing things in a creative but tasteful way. Tell me about the project.
Okay, so we're working with this little girl named Sophie. She has dwarfism. So she's always had this issue of finding like a dress that like fits her.
Of course.
I kind of want to make this dress for her, like her dream dress. She wants to wear it for a talent show that she has at her summer camp every year.
Stop it, that's really sweet.
So I guess like,
Yeah,
let's
what's
go
the
ahead.
game plan?
Yeah, Sophie told me that she wants like a little ruffle around the top. She wants a little heart pocket. I was thinking kind of like short sleeves that kind of like do a little petal, like a little princessy dress.
Oh, Stepha, you're the perfect person to do this.
And then like a ruffle on the bottom, like above her knee, something that kind of like fits her personality, something fun and pretty.
Okay, where are we? How long do we have?
We have about 8 hours.
You're kidding.
Yeah, so we need to get it done because she actually goes to summer camp like tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, let's get started. What do I need to do?
Okay, so I have to go to Fashion District. Can
it.
you go ahead and start off like this little tiny bow for her?
Yeah, absolutely, no problem.
So I'll see you in a little bit.
Sounds good.
Let's see if she can find those fabrics for Sophie's dress.
I'm in Fashion District right now. I have about maybe an hour. Gotta make this fast. I'm gonna need something lavendery. Oh, this one's pretty. So I found this lavender Organza. It looks like it would be really pretty with this one.
I don't know about you, but I'm curious to see what Edward's been up to back at the studio. Oh, looks like things are actually going pretty well.
Uh-oh. Keeps jamming. So when it comes to sewing, I would say I am a 5 out of 10. And what I mean by that is I am a work in progress. Oh, thank God. How's shopping going?
Oh, it's going good.
I am having some problems, and this might just be because I'm just getting back on my sewing gears, but it keeps jamming. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Possible that like the thread might have come out of the little silver hook.
Oh, that's exactly what happened.
You know, it happens all the time. Like, it's just like when you're kind of like in the zone, it kind of just comes out.
Okay, no worries. Let me get back to it. Can't wait to see what you bring back.
Awesome, see you in a bit.
Here we go. Fix, 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 tinker, tinker. Yes.
Okay, so it looks like Edward's luck has turned around. Let's see if Stephina is having some better luck at finding that fabric.
This could be a really pretty option. It's got floral print on it. The funny thing is there is glitter on them, but there's also pearls. I mean, other glitter tools. Got tons of fabric for Sophie, and we're done shopping now. Hopefully, we're able to make her dream dress. I hope she's really happy with this.
Hi.
I'm back.
Okay, I know we're in a time crunch, but how are we doing so far with the bow?
Oh, let me see. That looks good. Yeah, we can use this.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you this fabric.
Okay.
Could you help me out by like cutting out the bottom of the skirt and some ruffles?
Yeah, no problem at all.
Let's see. It would look good together. Maybe if I just layer them over each other.
It took Stephina a little over 2 hours to shop, so they've definitely got some time to make up for if they're gonna finish in time.
I mean, I guess like that's kind of how I work. I always like work on like a tight clock, and I'm always thinking like I can finish this, I can finish this. And I mean, like thankfully I do, but I think it just needs a little pressing, but it looks really cute. Okay, I'm happy with this. Oh my God, it's too small. I ordered a dress form for Sophie, but unfortunately it was a little too small. If I just use this and just use the back, it's kind of similar to a kid's bodice, I guess. At least that fits. I'm gonna create this ruffle that Sophie had mentioned that she kind of wanted by pleating this fabric.
Oh my gosh. Of course, Stephina had to choose the most detail-oriented dress to get done. I am feeling so much pressure from the lacing to the pockets that we have to put in, to the ruffling of the dress. Oh, don't even forget that we have to do the drip dye. So there's a lot to do, and I don't know if I have all the skill sets to make it happen, so I'm kind of freaking out.
You're freaking out. I'm freaking out.
Edward, can we get a time check?
Yes, 3 hours till time.
Okay. Do you think you can get the dye bath started?
Yes, I just finished up this skirt. Do you want to take a look at it?
Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna give these to you. Could you kind of get them both started and just kind of like swatch to see what works best for the fabric?
Sounds good. I adapt to the personality that's around me, so I took on your stress. I was like, let's get this done. I was like, I was jumping from left to right, and I just wanted to make sure that it was to the standards that you wanted it to be.
Whew, things are getting pretty tense. Listen, with 3 hours to spare, I know they have got to be feeling the pressure right now. Right, Edward?
Oh, wow.
Edward. Earth to Edward.
Okay. Instagram breakover. Sorry.
Yeah.
Edward, we have 2 hours left. How are you doing over there?
Okay, I've got 3 color swatches that I've dyed that are ready for you to see. Okay, so I've got this kind of middle purple one that I think came out with little fuchsia hues. So there's 2 hours left, and I'm feeling a lot of pressure. She really wants this dress to be perfect for Sophie. So my main pressure is making sure that Stephina stays calm so that she can get everything done that needs to get done for this dress to be perfect the way she wants it.
I'm liking the darker purple because I think we can like do more of an ombre effect and like kind of have like that like fun transformation for her.
That's a great idea.
So I just like at the very bottom.
Like right here? Oh, that's gonna be so beautiful.
Now it's time to prep for the big dip.
I hope these things are heat resistant.
Dump all of it.
A little bit of dye.
Or a lot. Let's go ahead and mix that. This is the skirt. We only have one chance to get this right. So fingers crossed this works.
Are you just dyeing the bottom?
Yeah, just the bottom.
You're doing great.
Oh, shoot. I don't think the dye is dark enough.
Okay.
Do we have another bottle?
We've got one more.
I think we're gonna need it.
Okay.
Can I just kind of hold this off to the side while you pour it in?
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
We're gonna be okay.
We have an hour left, Edward.
I know, but we've got this.
I still have to attach it to the top and put a zipper in it and hem it, so.
We'll move fast.
Okay.
Careful, guys, careful.
Okay. It looks darker.
Okay, I think that should be good, yeah?
Yeah.
I think there's an ombre effect. I think
see
it looks
ombre.
pretty. Okay, perfect.
Whew, okay. That had me at the edge of my seat.
I did have a question for you.
Okay.
So I was thinking maybe of adding buttons, and I have a few options here.
Does it button in the front? Does it clasp in the front?
No, it's just like decorative.
Decorative buttons?
What about, here, let me just kind of put some in there.
I don't want to create an argument or anything, but, well,
Edward has such a strong hate for buttons that like doesn't make sense to me. I just feel like you just have to find the right buttons. And guess what? We found the right buttons. Because you know,
wait
it
a
just adds a
second.
little something. I think it kind of makes it sweet.
they don't seem very performative, other than the fact that they are performing. I think a button needs to serve a purpose, and you know what? In this case, I have to trust her. She was right. I love it.
Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna add the buttons.
After a day of shopping, pattern making, sewing, and arguing about buttons, our Dream a Dress duo have officially reached the end of their journey.
I'm just clipping off the final threads and I am good.
Oh my gosh. Sophie is gonna love this.
I hope so.
She's gonna love it. Trust me.
Okay,
Let's get out of
perfect,
here.
Let's go.
It is reveal day, and it's finally time to show Sophie her dream dress. Is anyone else feeling a little nervous?
Okay, you're gonna follow me. We have a surprise for you. Stop. Okay, Sophie, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, my lovely dress. I like it. Yay!
Oh my God, do you wanna try it on?
Yes, I do.
Here you go. Let's go try it on.
Yay!
I hope it fits.
It's gonna be perfect.
Oh my God, you look so
Beautiful!
I love it.
It's incredible.
It fits you so perfectly.
When I saw the dress, I was like jumping so fast and I was so excited to try it on.
I thought it was beautiful. The designer just made something even more amazing than what Sophie imagined from her drawing.
I love the dress.
She's so royal.
She's so royal.
I like the pocket that I wanted and it's so cute and it has pockets and they're so cute.
You noticed.
I know. Also, we tried to incorporate as many details that you told us that you love. So it's got short sleeves. It's not too tight on the arms, right? It's purple and it's got like the ruffles you wanted. Oh my God.
Wow, you're gonna do so well on your talent show.
You're gonna kill it. Like, there's no way you're not gonna win this talent show.
Can we have a hug? Of course. Thank you so much. Bravo! Yay! How are you feeling? Because that was big.
But I can just imagine her wearing it more places too. Like,
Agree. What a fun Disneyland dress or a dress
that's what
that
I said.
I feel like you could even wear it to like a concert.
Like Taylor Swift.
Like Taylor
Like
Swift.
Taylor Swift. But I think we really pulled it together.
I knew from the beginning that it was gonna be great.
It was definitely all worth it, seeing the look on her face.
She is such a light, and that dress just made her shine even brighter.
She's such a sweet girl, and she just really deserved something so special like her.
I totally agree.
Yep, that's it, folks. Cheers to Stephina and Edward, who've managed to turn stress into a stylish success. The dress is a hit, Sophie's grinning ear to ear, and I'm considering a new career in meditation. Until next time, this is Dream a Dress.
That's it?